Hi guys, welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, it's Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the kitchen. Again, I'm going to show you my new playlist that I'm working on. And I don't know when it's going to be coming out. And on new recipe, food haul, my favorite food that I'm going to be trying this year. And new snacks that I'm trying out. So let's get started. I am eating wheat bread again. I'm not, let's rephrase it. I don't know if I'm in love with it, but it's good. It's something different that I never tried before. And I know last year I did a piece of bread, wheat bread, and it had so many ingredients that I couldn't handle. So last week, the first week of January, I tried Dave Killer bread and wheat bread. Wheat bread. Can you hear me? It's wheat. I've been doing good with Dave bread. No acid, no itchy tongue, a little bit of stomach ache, but not too bad, or I call it right now my gut. Yeah, I've been trying different recipes with bread. I did French toast. Oh, that was good. I can do a sandwich. I'm so happy. And then I can eat it regularly. I can eat it by itself or with something or not, and just like, oh my gosh, I can eat wheat bread. Yeah, it has to be day bread that I can tolerate. I've been trying to eat other bread, wheat bread, not as the same as day bread, so maybe day bread is good for me and good for my body. And do on a trial run for a while. Hopefully I can put it into my diet and then eat it on a regular basis. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I'll be posting, and share with a family friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye!